If you're an architect, you've probably heard the buzz about SketchUp AI Render, formerly SketchUp Diffusion. So, is it a legit tool or just another flashy add-on? Let's get right to it. First off, this is an official SketchUp extension made by the Trimble team themselves. It's not some sketchy third-party download. You'll find it in the SketchUp extension warehouse. The tool comes bundled with paid SketchUp subscriptions, Go, Pro, or Studio. So if you're already signed up, you've got access. Just a heads up, usage runs on a monthly credit system, usually between 20 and 40 renders a month, unless you spring for their $11,999 add-on, which bumps you up to 1,500 credits. But here's the real question. Is it actually worth your time? In my experience, AI Render is super quick. You can whip up images in under a minute. No complicated lighting or texture settings needed. It's also built right into the SketchUp viewport, so you don't have to keep bouncing between programs. But don't expect miracles. The AI sometimes gets creative, in the worst way. Stairs become ramps, materials you've carefully assigned just disappear. And some users say the image quality isn't as sharp as it used to be. Honestly, I'd use it for mood boards or early idea pitching with clients, but I wouldn't trust it for those polished final deliverables. If you're looking for something more robust, pros tend to favor Vera's by Chaos for better geometry controls, or D5 Render for real-time visualization. LookX AI is another option if you want video and advanced style training. So here's my bottom line. SketchUp AI Render is legit, safe, and easy for quick concepts. But for anything where detail and accuracy matter, stick to the classics like V-Ray or Enscape. That's my honest take. Let me know your own experiences in the comments.